Hey guys, it's Esteban again with Incognitistic. Today I wanted to talk about something that I learned recently, which is called body doubling. And this is quite a great tool for people who have ADHD or AuDHD because it will help us complete tasks. And the way that body doubling works is that you have somebody by you while you're completing your tasks. And this allows you to have that support with somebody there to help you keep on task and also to interact with so that you kind of lose track that you're working on a task. And this, obviously, if you have a hyper interest, uh, that you have no problems with that task. But this is to be applied to tasks that you really have no interest in and are even dreading or fear doing. And so for a long time, I've always liked to have somebody with me when I'm doing something that I don't want to do. And throughout that time, I always thought that I was being overly needy and I couldn't take care of myself with it, couldn't take care of the task by myself, and I had a lot of doubts as to um, my abilities. And so recently I learned about this, and it kind of explained a lot for me because of the fact that I would always want my wife to go with me to the grocery store because I hate going to the grocery store because there's tons of people and I might find somebody there that knows me and have to interact with them spontaneously. And that is dreadful to me. So that's one of the tasks that I would often ask my wife if she would go with me and do, and it makes a complete difference. Whereas if I go by myself, like I did the other day, I feel anxious and nervous, and I even I'm sure that I look awkward and act awkward. But when I'm with my wife or somebody else, I get to interact with them. I get to feel safer. I get to feel that somebody is there to support me in the activity. And it also makes it go by really quickly. So that's what body doubling does. And it's very much recommended for you if you have ADHD or AuDHD to finish those tasks. And it's brand new info to me. I thought that was pretty interesting. So thanks for watching.